You think animals are all about barking, chirping, and roaring? Think again. Some of the wildest conversations in the animal kingdom happen in complete silence. Take cuttlefish, for example. These masters of disguise don't just change color to hide. They use their skin to send complex messages. Flashing patterns, shifting colors. It's like they're texting with their entire bodies. Then there are fireflies, turning their butts into dazzling light shows to find a date. Each species has its own unique flashing pattern, like a secret Morse code for love. And don't forget honeybees. They perform an intricate waggle dance to tell their hive mates the exact location of the best flowers. It's a full-on GPS, all done through dancing. So next time you're out in nature, remember, the quietest creatures might just have the most to say. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing animal facts.